Hello guys, so welcome back to language learning. Welcome back to Sepedi Lessons channel. So this is day 16 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to confidently introduce yourself in formal situations. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first thing you'll want to say is say your name. Tell people who you are. What is your name? What is your surname? Where are you from? What age are you? So the first thing you're going to say, hello, you're going to start by greeting. Hello, my name is Dineo. In Sepedi, Thobela, leina la ka ke nna Dineo. Hello, my name is Dineo. Thobela, leina la ka ke nna Dineo. Thobela is the greetings. Thobela is hello. Thobela, leina la ka ke Dineo. Leina is name. Dineo is name. Thobela, leina la ka ke Dineo. So let's go to surname. My surname is Nkosi. You're going to say Sefane sa ka ke Nkosi. My surname is Nkosi. You are going to say Sefane sa ka ke Nkosi. Nkosi Dineo. I am Dineo Nkosi. I am Dineo Nkosi. Surname is Sefane in Sepedi. I am 23 years old. Ke na le mengwaga e masomepedi tharo. I am 23 years old. Ke na le mengwaga e masometharo. Mengwaga means years. I am. Ke na le mengwaga years e 23 e masome tharo. So let's go to your location. Where are you from? What is your country? What is your province? What is your city? So you're going to say, I am from South Africa. I reside in Limpopo province. I am from Polokwane city. Sepedi, you're going to say, ke tswa Afrika Borwa. Ke tswa Afrika Borwa. Ke dula profenseng ya Limpopo. Ke dula toropong ya Polokwane. So let's go to your occupation. Either you're a student or you're a working person or you're a manager. Let's see how you'll say it in Sepedi. I am a student in the University of South Africa. You are going to say, ke moithuti University ya Afrika Borwa. Ke moithuti University ya Afrika Borwa. I am a student at the University of South Africa. Ke moithuti University ya Afrika Borwa. So let's say you are a teacher. So you're going to say, I am a teacher at Lake High School. So in Sepedi, you're going to say, ke morutiši sekolong se se phagamego sa Lake. I am a teacher at Lake High School. In Sepedi, ke morutiši sekolong se se phagamego sa Lake. So let's go to your skills. What skills do you have in Sepedi? What are you going to say? So let's, for example, you are a reader, you like to read, or you like to write, or you like watching YouTube videos, or you like traveling, hiking, cycling. Let's see what you're going to say in Sepedi. In English, I enjoy reading, writing, and watching videos. In Sepedi, you're going to say, ke rata go ngwala, go bala, le go bogela di swantšho tšweledi. Let's do it once more again. I like to read, write, and watch videos. In Sepedi, ke rata go bala, go opela, le go bogela di swantšho tšweledi. I like to read. To read ke go bala. To read ke go bala. To write ke go ngwala. To write ke go ngwala. To watch YouTube videos ke go bogela di swantšho tšweledi. Videos, di swantšho tšweledi. Video, swantšho. Videos, di swantšho tšweledi. Bogela is to watch. So let's summarize all of it in Sepedi. So you're going to say, Thobela, leina la ka ke Dineo Nkosi. Ke tswa Afrika Borwa, provinceng ya Limpopo, toropong kgolo ya Polokwane. Ke na le mengwaga e 23. Ke na le mengwaga e 23. Ke nna morutiši sekolong se se phagamego sa Lake. Ke nna morutiši sekolong se se phagamego sa Lake. Ke rata go bala, go ngwala le go bogela diswantšho tšweledi. So that is a short formal introduction of yourself. So if you want a long formal video on how to introduce yourself, drop your comments on the comment section. So I think that's it for our day 16 of 21 day Sepedi challenge.